Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the lava charms in Fish It Roblox. So as you know, in the new Kohana expansion update in Fish It, there is a new items, the lava charms that can boost your odds of catching a magma shark. And in here, I'm going to show you where to find the lava charms here. So first, the lava charms is of course located inside the Kana Volcano. So first you need to go to the Kohana Volcano, inside the Kohana Volcano, and here find the fish merchants. This is where the lava charm is located, in front of the merchants. In here you can see this is the magma charms. You can get it by buying it for 20k coins. So you can just buy it in here, and of course you can buy more than one. You can find the charms in here. Okay, it will boost your odds to catch the magma shark. And so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. That's how you can get the magma shark. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.